President ko Congress Vincent H. Pala hakasingi arfratrik iyayong ulakino yaka BJP bat ka sorkar Meghalaya balaya lam da ka NPP klashet klaya kinong khayi doyong bat kyndon mon bat ban klaya ka Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act. Ula ong bahakatikaan om shimladan kanu kanu ka kyndon bat day bandan shispa hectare ka jaka ban pentre kam yaka jing khayi doyong bat keno balawan ra yakani tang ban penshitom ikinong khayi doyong. Upala ula ong ru baka scientific mining haduk menta kampat sedang ha kajela wat hatien ki babun ki jingya kular. Ula ong baki babun kinong khayi kidangya kendu jing halor ki jingyo jingbin public hearing bat ki wei ki jingdon kam. Ula ong baka MMDR Act kala ban pen kelasung namara depen kelabun sin menshwa.
Mining, I think the government is mishandling the mining issues. Number one, the MMDR Act never mentioned that you must have more than 100 hectares of land. In MMDR Act, they never mention about the area. Only they say that preferably it should be more than 5 hectares. 5 hectares, all clearances and all will be cleared at the regional and the state level. So that's only say, they never say you should have more. This is only the law created by this government to give a chance to a few sections of people, to get a monopoly out of it. And number one. Number two, the government has not even started that scientific mining. I have not seen any people who are doing a scientific mining as done today. A normal mining which they have done as per the MMDR Act only. So I think even those people, they have not done well. Most of them are suffering. They used to come to me almost every month. I could chat and talk to them. So I think the government is betraying them. At the same time, the government is also harassing them in terms of clearances, in terms of public hearing. If you see, all of them are really have a big trouble on this. You see, in the mining MMDR Act, there's no such policy. There's no question of policy. Goa has had the policy, but people has gone to the court and it was cancelled. So there's no question of policy in mining. It's only an act and a rule. So the act will be enacted by the parliament and send the rules to the state to implement it. So the question of policy doesn't arise. It's only a matter how you frame the rules. Because the act is already there, MMDR Act is already, it's been amended for the last so many years. MMDR Act has been amended for 15, 16 times. Like a constitution has been amended for more than 130 times. So MMDR Act cannot be amended from time to time. The BJP and the present chief minister who is holding a mining, they promised that the act will be amended and there will be a mining. But they have not done it because the collection without the act or without the mining is very high. With all those collections, they harass the people. That's why the name high level has come. This is now open in the market. Therefore, I don't think that the government will be amending the act. If they want to amend the act, it takes them hardly 3 to 4 months. Very simple. They know how to do it also. Only they are not willing. Rather, they harass the people by in the circular they give an SOP that you must have more than 100 acres of land. That is a harassment to the people.